Step 4 is placing text. I've opened the Word document that has my text in it. And first I'm going to copy this introductory paragraph here. I'm just going to highlight it and copy it. And then I'll go to InDesign, and it's going to go here in this text frame. I'm going to grab the Type tool here, and then I will highlight all of this text, including the big drop cap, and just delete it out. Then I'll paste in my new text. You can see here I've encountered a problem where my text does not all fit, right? You can see this little red plus sign. That denotes overset text. Basically, text is not going to fit in my text frame. So I need to resize this text box. And I'm going to do that by going back to my black arrow. And now I can resize this text box by just grabbing the top of it and pulling up a little bit until all of my text fits. I'm going to go back to Word and grab the rest of my text, all of my text that will be in my 2-column layout. Copy that. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to grab my Type tool. I'm going to highlight this placeholder text, delete it, and just paste my text in. And it should flow all the way through all these text boxes through to the last page of the article.